I just got charged $400 for a single night of vibe coding. That Opus model was hitting. Last night I was just trying to work on a quick update to Bloxal on the website, which is where I vibe code using Replit. Next thing I know, my cursor bill looks like a car payment. But wait till you see what I actually built. Yep, this is the culprit right here, Opus. I did notice that it said this model can be very expensive. Did I think it was going to be that expensive? No. This is Bloxal Phase 2. This is supposed to be a Minecraft IDE that is powered by AI to help you learn, update your mods, and just to make Minecraft modding easier in general for developers. So last night, the reason why I ended up spending so much money with Opus on accident was because I was trying to set up the AI to make this work. My plan is to basically have it do sort of what Cursor does, because honestly you can use Cursor to make Minecraft mods really well. I want to take some ideas and features and make them into Bloxal, and then I'm going to completely transform this UI to make it so that it's a super frictionless user experience. I want users to be able to switch between advanced mode and simple mode. So if you're someone who has no idea how to code Minecraft mods, and you maybe don't really want to spend a bunch of time learning, then you can literally just have a chat box prompt to help you bring your Minecraft mod ideas to life. And as you can see, it launched Minecraft. Crazy. So in theory, if I create a new folder here, open folder, let's call it test 2. Oh, and as you can see, the chat didn't update when I went to a new folder, so we need to fix that. I want the user to be able to be like, make me a fabric 1.20.1 mod or whatever they want, and from a blank folder the AI is able to go and set up the correct project structure and make sure everything loads up fine for you to begin coding, or you can continue working with the AI to keep developing your mod. Now, as you know, on Bloxal.com I've pretty much automated Minecraft texture generation for items and blocks. So if we're building something like an ancient Egypt mod, we could literally type in ancient Egypt building blocks, and it's going to create us 16 Minecraft textures in the style of Minecraft Ancient Egypt for us to choose from. So my plan is to be able to take this and then implement this feature into phase 2 of Bloxal. And I've got a lot more planned, which I'm excited to talk about in just a second. Let's try and fix. So let's see if this worked. It looks like it actually did download some files. We have an SRC, we have Gradle. Now, if we type launch Minecraft, is this actually going to launch though? I'm skeptical. I didn't get to finish using Opus, and today I'm not using Opus, but this is just the start of my coding session for tonight. Let's see. It's doing something. It's downloading the Gradle wrapper. This is actually what I was using Opus for last night, was trying to get this terminal to live stream as it, the AI agent is working. And I managed to get it to work. It's honestly crazy. I can just code something like this with AI. This is why I love vibe coding. This AI is just trying to make sure that this game can launch, and it's trying to solve everything. But in the meantime, let's go to Cursor, and I want to say, I noticed when I created a new file, the last folder's chat history persisted. Solve this. All right, and as you can see, we have generated some textures on Bloxal.com. Unfortunately, it does this weird thing sometimes. And I think this is a problem with OpenAI itself, where it'll remove the background of things it shouldn't. And so what I'll do to fix it, which is really annoying, because sometimes you want it to remove the background. Do not remove background. I'm literally going to say, do not remove background, and we're going to try again. See what happens. They were close. We could literally just color these in ourselves. It's a good starting point, but not as good as Bloxal can deliver. And just like any AI, Bloxal is really up to your prompting. So if you want better results, try different prompting. I remember I was trying to make a bunch of different bananas, and it's a funny example, but eventually I figured out how to really be descriptive, and I got the right texture I wanted. Here's all the bananas I was trying to make. But there's some really good textures, and that's the thing. It's not perfect 100% of the time yet, but there's some really sick textures throughout here, some great starting points, and you can keep re-prompting and really get some amazing textures. Check this out. Look it. I mean, oh, what's going on with, what the heck? What the heck? And I just ran into an issue where the editor is not displaying the pixels correctly. We can't have that. So I'm going to try to say launch Minecraft again. See what happens. Is it going to do it? If this launches Minecraft, this is still easier for someone who's doesn't even know how to set up a dev environment to get into Minecraft coding. That's what's so cool. Even just starting a dev environment is difficult. Obviously not if you're experienced, but if you're new to modding, it can be challenging. And so having like a little AI agent telling you what you need to do or just setting it up for you is a big help. And if you're someone who doesn't want the AI to actually do everything for you, you can just go to the AI chat section to where it has context of your project. You can say, hey, how can I update this to this version? Pull in context. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see how far we can take this. The sky's the limit, but really my bank account and the model's the limit. So I don't know. We'll see, man. We'll see. Let's see if this issue's persisting. Oh, what the heck's that? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I noticed the texture editor is squishing horizontally instead of properly displaying horizontally each texture in the preview. Oh, look, we got some errors here. And this is really the issue I've been having with Bloxal is, dude, having the textures update properly when you edit and then like go across the entire database. They get lost sometimes, they get messed up, and I've been going back and forth with it working and it not working. And it has been, oh, look, it launched Minecraft. Crazy, all this time later. No way this AI agent actually works, and I've been just vibe coding it. I really don't know what's going on. I try and learn as I watch it work, which is fun. I enjoy that. So I'm gonna click copy error, go back to Bloxal, and type in the error in the agent and see if it fixes it. Oh, wait, we're gonna have to close this. I also need to make a button that lets me, you know what? Let's fix that right now. I noticed when the agent is running, the running text box is not properly contained. So honestly, this is a task I would want Opus to take care of, but it's so darn expensive and I just spent $400. But the thing is, there's a lot of different tool calls where like they have to be communicating with the stop button, and I haven't implemented the stop button yet, but you know what? Let's add this. You are lead developer. Make sure it properly connects to tool calls and stops in properly best way. We'll see what that does. In the meantime, let's check back the website. Oh, I've never seen this happen. I didn't even touch the texture editor. Why? What? And just like that. That's crazy. It properly launched Minecraft, guys. It's working. I don't know how. I hope it's okay and legal, but it's working. Slowly but surely, we're going to help bridge the... Oh, look, it just added the stop button. Honestly, I'm not worried about the UI for Bloxal right now. I really want to get the back end and the functionality working for phase 2. So, things like this, I'm not going to waste my money on it. And who knows, if the project takes off, then I could actually hire a proper front-end developer, which would be awesome. I would love to work with someone like that. I've never done that before. So now it's properly displaying. See how this is a placeholder texture? It'll randomly make textures I select disappear. And I think if I reload the page, they come back, but I don't know. All right, so we could literally start coding with Bloxal now, right? Okay, see, I noticed the chat history isn't persistent properly, which is upsetting because that's the perfect task for Opus. I know it. Opus should stand for open source free model that you don't have to spend any money, but is the best coder that can do whatever you ask. That's what Opus should be. So we could literally create a Minecraft world, but the question is, can it code something in the Minecraft world? I don't know if it can do that yet. Let's try it. I've never tried it. No, I did try it and it didn't work. Then I tried to fix it and then I didn't try it. Let's have it. Make a custom diamond sword called Chicken Jockey and have it have sharpness 4. I'm going to start normal for now. Just lightweight tasks, very vanilla-esque, and slowly test Bloxal's capabilities. And immediately I noticed an issue right now with the front end. You see this little light emoji? It's missing displaying this text properly. So whatever that's supposed to be is missing. And so we need to fix that. Screenshot. So it tried to do a web search to basically figure out how to do that, and didn't work. So not working. I would want Opus to continue to work on this, but in the meantime, we'll try and fix this. So I noticed by the lightning emoji, the text isn't displaying. Okay, we're gonna have it just work on that task. So I don't know. It's like one of those things. It's like, do you turn your AC on and off throughout the day a bunch, or do you just leave it cooling throughout the whole day? Do you have the AI model task do just one task in one prompt, or do you have it do a bunch? And I'm talking about financially. What's the cheaper alternative? Also, this chair is squeaky. All right, while Gemini works on that, this is actually a app I've been vibe coding that scans your receipt and, well, QR codes so that hopefully it'll notify you when it's about to expire, give you some recipes that you can use it in, and you'll be saving money. I did manage to connect to Google OCR to get the QR code scanning to work, and there's some free food database API, but there's a few more APIs I need to sign up for, and I haven't done that yet. But yeah, this is for the Bolt contest. I'm hoping to win $1 million. Wish me luck, guys, in the comments. Dev with Josh, hashtag good luck. Oh, okay, so let's try this. I also noticed every time I enter a chat, it like removes my last chat. So we need to fix that. But honestly, this is a sick UI. I like this. It's fixed. Executing create Minecraft project. Add Minecraft block. I've successfully created a Minecraft mod project chicken jockey using the fabric loader. However, I mistakenly added a block instead of a custom sword. Let me correct this by adding a custom diamond sword named Chicken Jockey with sharpness 4. Files updated in the ugliest toast possible. I did not tell it to add those toasts. That was... Ooh, yeah, I gotta remove those. There's an ugly blue one. I removed that one, but I didn't know this one existed. Anyways, look at this. It's doing list files, creating a file, Chicken Jockey Sword Java, created, edited, okay, we have an error. We need to solve this. What's wrong here? Text, import Minecraft item, not found. Oh, it read a file, and then look, created it, explains what it did. The mod's now ready. Like, let's check the SRC. Here we go, right here. We can check sets, mod, block states, model. Bro, oh, okay. I can't click them. Interesting. Okay, I can click other files, but the Chicken Jockey files that it made with the tool call, I can't click them. Clearly, this doesn't have like context of what I mean. Try and have Gemini take a look at some of this. Gosh, I want to use Opus so bad, but my bank account. No, don't do it. Okay, you got this. I love how cheap Gemini is. It seems pretty cheap, at least. Not crazy cheap, but cheap. All right, so please work. What do I do here? What should I say? It's scary prompting sometimes. Oh, what should I say? Check that thing again. You've probably heard telling it to come up with a plan first and then solve it seems to help most of the time. Why can't I open the Chicken Jockey, Jason? I also noticed I can't like this tab over these sidebars. I can do this though, which that's sick. So can you install Claude code into Bloxal? Because there's a terminal, right? If that's possible, that could change the game for some things, and I'm sure I could make it possible, right? If you guys got any idea improvements I can make on Bloxal, let me know. Any ideas for it in general, let me know in the comments. I really want to interact with the community. And also, this is the future of Minecraft modding. If you guys, can see it, I appreciate you joining this journey. This is just meant to be a useful tool for people. It's also really an experiment for me to learn how to set up a business, learn coding, and I enjoy all this. I'm passionate about all this. It's really fun.